A very good morning. How you doing? Hope all well. Hope all great. And I seriously hope you're having a fantastic start to the weekend and stuff. So first of all, a quick, as usual and as regular, a quick cheers to a and on a nice cup of homemade cha, which is extremely healthy and refreshing for daily consumption and for the throat and stuff and all. And it seems over the years that I've been kind of sharing, or I normally highlight the fact that what are we here for? Are we here? What are we here for? What is the reason we are on this planet? Are we here to only earn monies? Are we here only to work in a job? Are we here to slog? Are we here to work hard? Are we here to work smart? Are we here to kind of, get recognition and just take home the award, the reward, the achievement certificate or whatever? Or are we here, simply to kind of give birth to children, raise them, fulfill our responsibilities, enjoy our life, and then just leave for heavenly abode? So, what do you think is the answer? So I think more than 60% or 70% of the world functions like this. Everybody wakes up to do something. Now, what they do during the course of their life and journey is very important. So, have you ever asked yourself this question? What are you here for? So it's a weekend, so probably you could spend some time and energy thinking about it. And the more you spend time alone, the more you spend time, the word is me time, the more those questions come to your mind, because what happens is that we get so influenced or we are so conditioned by what elders are doing or our families done. And children want to be like their grandparents or parents, and you have inspirations everywhere. So we tend to set a benchmark of accomplishment and achievement, and it's great. If it can possibly inspire you and motivate you to do better than what is known, then it's amazing. But sometimes I find, children or people complaining that they have to do so much of it, and they are so, you know, uh, tired with it. They're so frustrated with it. Life seems like a race, a struggle, an ongoing, a situation which is never going to change. But आई नॉर्मली से यार आपने कभी शीशा देखा है? शीशे शीशे में ना आपको शक्ल नज़र आती है. और हैव यू एवर टेकन लुक एट अ मिरर? द मिरर shows you the reality of what you are. So when you have a mirror before you, you see yourself, and you know that you can change your life, you can change your appearance, you can get better. If you're getting fatter, you can get fitter. If you're having a bad haircut or a bad hair day, you can fix your hair. So you can fix your opinions and you can fix your life, and stop kind of bogging yourself down or bringing yourself down by using these words which are very casually used and are not highly inspiring and stuff. So now what are we here for? Yeah, everybody works. Most people work around. We see, Rome was not built in a day. We've got brand builders. We've got industry leaders. We've got movers and shakers. We've got leadership. We've got anybody and everybody does something or the other. But the question is, have you asked yourself this? What are you here for? What is your purpose? So before I do something, I normally ask myself, what am I doing this for? And if I have to go for a meeting, what am I going there for? If I'm going to spend so much of time there, what am I going to do? What am I going to imbibe? What am I going to learn? Is it going to make me better? Am I going to carry something, what I don't know, some information or some learning with me when I go back? Or am I just going there to have fun or just to interact and just to pass my time, or whatever? People go with different objectives and stuff. So